Here's just a sampling of some of the birds you see around Lake Morton. So now there's a whole bunch of them. They're crossing the street, they're walking around. There's one sitting. There's one of the big swans. Keep an eye behind us in case someone comes up behind us with a car. I gotta come back here when it's better weather and show you all these. But this is just a sampling of some of them. There's a lot more around, I can guarantee that. A lot more different kinds. Alright. Careful that one in the road a little ahead of us. You get really close too. I'm not even zooming in. I can almost touch that big swan right there. Hey. Hey, you. I'm not sure. I don't know if he eats pretzels. There you go. Ew, it's been warm. Just trying to get close to that guy right there. Okay. But there's another group down there we can film. I'm just gonna do film, I'm not gonna take any pictures right now. And there's a whole bunch over there too. Oh, there's one of the black swans. Whoa. He's telling us. You see one of these black swans at Disney. I think it's a black swan. Okay. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of them over here. Yeah, that car telling that bird off. Hey you, shoo! Shoo! Go! You need to get out of the road.
Go out and shoot it.
No, they might bite me. You'd be amazed how territorial some of those birds could be. And if they didn't get scared from that guy beeping his horn. See, look, with a little information sign, this would be a better place to film more. And they have a thing there where you can get bird seed. So okay. The problem is finding a space to park.
What?
Well, I'm almost done. Let's drive a little down here, then we can go. Well, that's some of the skyline of Lakeland, if you're interested. Lakeland's a big, big place.
This tail.
Do not feed the swans.
Oh, why not?
Well, then they have a thing down there, I think, where you can get seed for the birds. So, I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna get a little bit more busier with cars.
Yeah, I can't see too long.
No, just keep going. See there's the thing where you get seed for the birds. Oh, something, I can't tell what it says on it. Now, how do they expect you to give that to the other birds and not give any to the swans? That don't make sense. Yeah, I guess I should come here and film more. Just not sure where to park though. Park in the wrong place, your car's gonna be towed. Well, that's pretty much it. Here's more of Lakeland. Alright, if you have any comments or questions, put them below. I'm always happy to answer your questions. I look forward to talking to you again soon, YouTube. Alright. Bye, YouTube. Bye.